To dream is easy. To dream big is scary. But to live up to the dreams is tough. And so is the story that we would like to express on the promising journey of evolution of Sia Sales Corporation. An esteemed client of ours, due to some faults in his panels, his huge order was stuck. In the time of distress, he thought we will be there to bail him out, and we didn't disappoint him. Immediately, a service engineer from Sia Sales Corporation rushed to his site, solved the problem, and brought him back on track. Today, we share an unbreakable association with them. This is just not one story, but there are many stories on which Sia Sales Corporation is built on. An entity conceived with determination, dedication, and sheer passion, Sia Sales had an identity of Sia Electric from 2008 to 2014 and used to only trade in panel accessories like meters, accessories, etc. But for us, no achievement was satisfactory enough to pat our back. Our aspirations were high and our commitment towards achieving those was persistent. It was the year 2014 that saw the establishment and expansion of new entity, Sia Sales Corporation. Right from a small shed for designing of pumping and panel manufacturing at Sarkhej to having a tie-up with Xylem Water and Wastewater Management USA, the company surpassed many milestones one after the other and grabbed excellent market with more than 100 million INR orders. We also started executing electromechanical contracts and received greater opportunities to serve in electrical contract works. As a part of our expansion plans, we shifted our panel manufacturing facility to the Odhav works. In the year 2016-17, we executed one MLD STP complete electromechanical project and started taking up many electrical turnkey projects for the private industries with exemplary execution. We got approval in GWSSB, RITES and many other reputed consultants agencies. Finally, in the year 2018-19, we are ready with our newer infrastructure and have become an approved A-class registered electrical contractor as we are a core component partner of Schneider Electric for IE 61439 panels. In the journey spanning a decade, we have come a long way from being a trader to establishing a strong foothold. As a respected name in the field of electromechanical SITC for STP, ETP, WWTP and control system. The credit for the same goes to the esteemed clients who trusted our insights and allowed Sia to serve them with the innovative EPC solutions. Right from an LT panel manufacturer supplying to government sectors and SEZ units to a comprehensive solution provider in the electromechanical field with expanded portfolio having diversified domains like pharma, textile, food and beverages, wastewater treatment. Sia has never looked back. Today, when the team of experienced and astute technical professionals at Sia fulfills the requirements of our clients, they are always encouraged to be more expert, quick and attentive than before. Following stringent quality checks right from the raw material to the final testing, and in between processes like incoming material receipt, panel fabrication, painting, incoming material, assembly testing. The entire ISO 9001-2008 approved quality management system helps us deliver the best. What an enriching journey. But for the founders of Sia Sales, this is just a beginning, and we have many more crests to conquer. Sia Sales, the chronicle of commitments.